Hey everyone, it's D here from Coldcard, and today we're going to be showing off our new key teleport function on our Coldcard Q. This allows users to securely transfer confidential data between Coldcards. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to make sure that your firmware is 1.3.2 or higher. Once confirmed, go down to Advanced Tools, then select Key Teleport. Starting with the receiver, it will generate an ephemeral key pair and random numeric receiver password, which is 8 letters or numbers. Press the QR button and the BBQR will show up on the screen. You can now show this to someone over FaceTime or Zoom without the worry of someone decrypting your message. Once scanned, you could then reveal the teleport password to them over voice call. Password is 07396960. Once complete, hit enter, and you'll now be able to share secret information between these two Coldcards. The options include a quick text message, a single note password, export all notes and passwords, a seed from seed vault, master seed words, or a full Coldcard backup. In this example, we're transferring a seed from our seed vault. Once selected, you'll be given another teleport password to enter into the receiving Coldcard. Press the QR button to share over a video call. The receiver is now scanning the QR code and will organize a separate voice call for the password. Password is T2H5CYYZ. Hit enter, and if the password is correct, you'll be given the option to import that temporary seed into your seed vault. We're going to press 1 to save that seed into our seed vault. And as you can see, it's been successfully saved, meaning that our key teleport function is complete. We'll now show a couple more examples with an uninitialized Coldcard. Start again by generating a new key teleport from the receiver. Press the QR button and the BBQR will show up on the screen. The sender will now scan the BBQR from the receiver and decrypt it with the receiver's password. Once complete, hit enter, and you'll now be able to share secret information between these two Coldcards. Since this Coldcard is uninitialized, there's only a few options to choose from. We're now going to demo the full Coldcard backup. Start by selecting Full Coldcard Backup. By doing this, you're sending the complete backup including master secret, seed vault, multi-sig wallets, notes and passwords, and all settings. The receiving Coldcard must already have the master seed wiped to be able to install the backup. Hit enter, and the Coldcard will begin building the backup. Once complete, you'll be given another teleport password to enter into the receiving Coldcard. Again, this can be scanned over FaceTime or Zoom, and on a separate phone call, can receive the password. We're now scanning the BBQR for the encrypted backup information, and now entering the key teleport password. Once you hit enter, it will decrypt the message and start saving that Coldcard backup. You can now see the identical master fingerprint on the top right of the screen, and the Coldcard will say, "Success." The Coldcard backup has been successfully imported, and you'll just need to reboot to start using it. Now we're going to demo importing a quick text message. Start again by generating a new key teleport from the receiver. Enter in the receiver password. Now select Quick Text Message and enter in what you'd like to send. Hit enter, and you'll be given the sender teleport password to give to the receiver. The receiver then goes back to the main menu, hits the QR button, and now scans the BBQR over FaceTime or Zoom, and then receives the sender's key teleport password over a separate channel via voice call. If you entered in the password correctly, the Coldcard will load the quick text message, and you'll be able to navigate the menu to view the message. And that's it. You now know how to use our key teleport feature on the Coldcard Q. Thanks for watching. For more information or to make a purchase, go to coinkite.com.